In this tutorial, I will show you how to make money online with NFTs as a total beginner. I will explain to you what NFT is, what types there are, what mint is, and how you can make money using this strategy. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos on internet earnings and making money online strategies. We will talk about affiliate marketing, drop servicing, drop shipping, CPA marketing, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and shares of the companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a brand new way to make money online that we never spoke about on our channel. There will be some news on the channel soon, so be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out these important updates. We will start with the definition of NFT. What is NFT? The NFT stands for non-fungible token. NFT is a unique and irreplaceable unit of data stored on a blockchain in digital form such as images, videos, and audio recordings. Digital artists sell their NFTs for cryptocurrencies, especially for Ethereum and Cardano. How is the price of NFTs formed? One artist decides to make a collection of 10,000 NFTs, and a lot of them are similar and differ in variations of different elements, but their base is similar. Some of the most famous NFT collections are Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, Doodles, Cool Cats, Macaverse. The rarer NFT is, the smaller the number of people possessing NFT with identical characteristics, the higher its value. But how do you find quality NFT projects? What is minting in general and how do you want to buy them at the lowest possible price? How to find active community channels from which you can extract the best quality information. We will show you all these informations in this tutorial. This will be a super quick tutorial divided into several steps, tailored to anyone who has never heard of NFT. Before we go to step 1, what I want you to do is your own research what NFT is. Most of you probably don't know what NFT is and how it works. This is a tutorial in which we'll show you how to make money online with NFTs, so feel free to look for a blog post, the more the better, and read what NFTs are, what their idea of creation and purpose of existence is. Always the most important piece of advice is to do your own research before you decide not only on a financial decision, but on any decision in your life. So after taking some time and gathering initial information about NFTs, the first step you want to take is to go to a site called MetaMask. All platforms will be linked to you in the first comment of this video, so you don't have to waste time looking for the links now. As we can see, we can connect using our computer or telephone. Our recommendation is to connect using your desktop. What you want to do is install MetaMask for Chrome. This is the Chrome extension that you will install and where you will create your wallet and use it to purchase NFTs. So click the download button and install MetaMask for Chrome. As you can see, I already installed it. Instead of remove, it will say add, and simply click to install this Chrome extension. When you install it, just follow the instructions to the end, enter your data, and what is important, you will get your private key, which you should write down somewhere. It will consist of several words, phrases that will be sorted in order, and this is the information that you should not give to anyone, and be sure to save and write it down in a place where you will not lose it. Then you want to put Ethereum and click the buy button and you will have more options. The first two options are the options where you buy Ethereum directly with the help of your credit card, and the third option is to transfer the Ethereum directly if you have it on the wallet. When you click the view account, your address to which you need to transfer Ethereum will appear. The basics of cryptocurrency, so in this video we will not go into how to transfer Ethereum from your wallet to another wallet or directly from an exchange office. The next step when installing MetaMask is to go on the OpenSea website and create your account. The easiest way to do this is to click on a wallet icon in the upper right corner and simply connect it using MetaMask extension that you just installed. When you successfully connect, you will see the options My Profile, My Account, My Collections, and so on. You don't need more than a few minutes to connect to the platform. Okay, now that you've done that, we want to ask ourselves why people would buy NFTs in the first place. You will best understand the answer to this question if you remember as a child when you collected Pokemon cards or stickers for the World Cup. Some cards and thumbnails are worth less, and some are super rare and worth more. We were all certainly happy when we got Pikachu or Messi and Ronaldinho so we can brag to our friends, or if we even have a duplicate to get up to 50 or 100 pictures in trade for just that one. When we click on the Explore button on the OpenSea platform, we can see many different categories: art, music, domain names, trading cards, sports, and so on, or you can simply click on the All NFTs field and all NFTs will be listed. This is probably foreign to all people watching this video, so we will do our best to focus on one NFT and show and explain the whole process to you. For the purposes of the video, we will choose the Drop Bears collection. As we can see, there are only 10,000 items of them in the world, and these are randomly generated pieces of digital art. All in the base, as we mentioned at the beginning, are similar, in this case koala bears. There are 10,000 variations, and they are all worth some amount of Ethereum. The term we want to explain to you right now at the beginning is floor price. This is basically the lowest possible price at which you can buy someone from a collection of 10,000 items. If we open one of them and scroll to the tab Properties, we can read how many percent of owners have koala bears with identical characteristics. For example, only 2% out of all 10,000 koala bears have this kind of leaf in their mouth, and that automatically raises its price. As we can see, the owner of this NFT is trying to sell it for 888 Ethereum. How can you buy one NFT and sell it and make money on so-called NFT flipping? Now we come to the part where we talk about the minting process. You will come across this concept when you start working on your own research and gathering information on finding new projects that will have a future and a purpose. Of course, you can go to the OpenSea one and buy one by one and search and hope that their price will jump in the future and then sell them, but that's not the best strategy. The best option is to get them before they are listed on the marketplace. Understand them as an IPO, initial public offering term when it comes to stocks. Then you can get them at a lower price than the floor price, and when they are listed on the marketplace, you can easily make 30% profit almost the same day. For example, the floor price of this collection when it was in the mint phase was certainly not almost 16 Ethereums. Even from 3 months ago it was barely 7 Ethereums. And when it was in the mint phase it was around zero point 0.3 Ethereum floor price. Before we continue, I just want to emphasize to you that this is a risky market and there are many scam projects as in the world of cryptocurrencies where you always have to research what you buy and to whom you give money before you buy. Another reason why this market is risky is that in order to make a lot of money and sell your NFT expensive, there must be a demand for this project and people who will pay you 5, 10, 50, 100 ethers for your NFT you minted. You can sell it whenever you want and get rid of it. The only way to sell it is when someone else wants to buy it from you. Now I will show you how you can find upcoming projects and join the minting phase. You need to be aware that people become millionaires overnight by reselling NFTs. And that is perhaps the fastest way to make huge profits because this is a new trend that started in the middle of the last year and the market has exploded. The next step you want to take is to get to the rarity.tools website. In the drop-down menu you want to select the upcoming option. A new page will open where you can read and find all the upcoming projects. A small note is that this is a tool for beginners and not everyone's project is listed here. What we will come up with later is that source of information and which people you should follow when it comes to upcoming projects. For video purposes, we will open any of these projects. Here you can see their official Twitter accounts, Discord server and official website. You can also see in which cryptocurrencies the payment is required. In 95% of cases it's Ethereum. When we open the site, we can see that the mint phase started yesterday. As we said, when you buy NFT in the mint phase, you don't know which NFT you get, I mean which rarity. Click the Connect Wallet button and select how many NFTs you want to take in the mint phase. Some projects have a limit on how many NFTs you can buy in the mint phase per order. So if you want to buy some NFT at the lowest price, this is the best way to mint before it goes to the market. Okay, now we come to the key part. How do you know which project is good and which is a scam and garbage? Research is your best friend. By no means come to Rarity Tools and choose a project that you like and purchase it. That way you will probably lose your money. These are the key four factors that are crucial in choosing a quality and profitable NFT. Number 1. First, you need to like the personal design of NFT. Number 2. You need to check their Twitter account to see how many followers company have, and most importantly, which team of people is behind the company. Are there celebrities or successful people? What projects they had behind them, whether they were successful or not. So completely explore the historical background of not only the company but the people who work in it. Number 3. Check their Discord daily. The NFT projects that bring the most money are the ones around which the most hype is built. If their Discord server is dead, run away from that project immediately. You want to see in the general chat that there is no break of more than 5 minutes between messages and that they have a huge Discord community of at least 10,000 people. Number 4. The fourth factor is the roadmap of the company. Every serious NFT creator has a roadmap on their website with detailed plans for the future. You want to see in which direction the company is developing and what bonuses it offers to the owners of their NFTs. If you can't find it on the website, be sure to look it up on the Discord server. What is most important of all? The most important thing is to follow quality people from Twitter who regularly release information about upcoming both good and bad projects. In the description of this video, I will leave you a list of people I follow personally on Twitter. Create a new private account and follow these people and regularly follow their reports and information because the crypto world and the NFT world live on the Twitter and Discord. In the end, let's say the mint phase is over. You got your NFT, but you want to check how rare it is and what the rarity score is. When you get to the rarity tools, you select the project that is now listed on the marketplace that you just minted, and all you have to do is enter the ID of your NFT item and look at the end for the rarity score. The bigger the better and the more you will earn. That would be all for this amazing video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about new different ways and strategies to make money online working from your home. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also make sure to turn on the notification bell because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one, so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!